Back to it. Day 2. Having an issue with this piece of metal here. The rest of it just like slid off and was easy to take off, but this piece that's holding down the fabric is really stuck on there. I don't know. We got the bride fabric that we're going to be doing the headliner in, and we're also going to do the armrest and the visors. About 6 feet of it, way too much, but better to have it and not need it. Can't find the butter knife. What the fuck? What did I do with it? Oh my god. That's where it was. So after scraping at it for a half hour, I got sick of it. Ran to the store. Got like metal wire brushes instead of trying to use a brush and a screwdriver. I got a screwdriver where the bit doesn't come out, so hopefully I can pry under this and get it to come out without the bit getting stuck in there every time I'm pulling around. So I took the metal wire brush. It's like a toothbrush, but it's really hard. These bristles are really like sturdy, but you can obviously tell the difference between how much glue is on there versus there. So I'm just gonna have to figure out how to get this metal piece off now, and then we'll actually start gluing. Right there's a part of it that just wants to rip out with the metal instead of like coming off as a seam. So I'm gonna take it off, and then we're gonna start putting the headliner on it. It ended up tearing off. A little upset about it, but what can you do? Got word that Harry's coming. That's good. Here's my pliers. I got glue all over my arm. This came out really good. I just cut it as I went along the back, seamed it, and Harry sat there bringing the snacks. I finally got it in. Sunroof is done. I hate this tan gray handle, but gotta do what you gotta do. Now we're about to reattach it to the car, and hopefully it goes well. I don't know what I'm trying to fucking get in here, but right here, that little wing, it goes in there and it slides over like you're hanging a painting. Push it up. There. fucking Snapchat unless we got shit to do. I got it now. I had to push it up and down.
Ow, my shoulder.
There's my bucket hat. I was looking for her yesterday. That's funny. We got her done. Everything's bolted. Wires are ran the exact same way as they were. She's in there looking good. I'm not gonna do the headliner today because I've been here since 1 o'clock and I still have to hit it with the little bristle to get everything off. Here we are, day 3 of doing the headliner. Starting to actually see the material, like the cork board or fiberglass. Kind of impatient, and I think I got most of it. Now I'm gonna lay out the fabric and try to line it up. See how this turns out. If not, I'm gonna have to order more fucking fabric. This is about as far as I got. This section, like right here. It's hard to like rub the wrinkle out when you glue it and have all this fabric laying over your arm or like just laying in the way in general. So I got Leo coming. He's gonna help me out. I'm fucking grateful because I want this to come out good. The homie.
It was good, it was good.
Came through the hell. But yeah, now we really about to get this shit going. Leo just made the discovery that we put this on upside down, so now when it sits in the roof or when it sits up, you're not going to read it left to right versus the sunroof, which you do read left to right. So it has me kind of pissed, but this is the last of the material and there's nothing I can really do about it. I already glued most of it down. It's going a lot easier with Leo here, but I came to that conclusion, and now I'm just fucking pissed. Like I was just talking before, the perfection is so like critical to me, but I guess I gotta just fucking get over that. Now every time I look at it though, it's just gonna be like, fuck you, I'm the wrong way. You fucked up, you idiot. We are almost finished. Just a little bit more to go and I'll have to cut out all the pieces that matter. We're nice and tight, boys. Just been doing this little sections at a time so that we don't mess anything up. It's coming out good. I'm just upset that I did it backwards. I just got to do this armrest. I took the cloth off it already and the sun visors. That is it for fucking headliner work, and I'm never doing it again unless you fucking pay me, all right? So the headliner is fully glued on. I cut a little short right here. I had to improvise and throw another piece of fabric there. Hopefully it's not too noticeable. So now we're gonna flip it over, seam it all, cut it all to fit, cut out these pieces, and then we're gonna see how it fits in the car. I think.
Yeah, that's how it was. That's how the back worked. You gotta find the trick for it. I think
Well, it's been about 17 hours in this hot ass garage. Finally got the headliner in, all the holes done. So the camera died last night, but I'm here again today, so I figured I'd just film this little bit and show you guys how it looks in the daylight. It came out really good. I have new door cards coming. They look crazy, but they're custom made, so they're gonna take a while to get here. So until then, I'm just gonna do the visors, do the armrest, everything in between, get everything looking good. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you're new.